Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing visual activities for better child development. Vision activities can sometimes be the missing piece to vision problems that we see in kids with known or suspected visual processing needs. Now you will think vision activities woke you. Alright, I am explaining. Many times बच्चों को complain होती है कि they skip words when they are writing or copying from written works, reversing of letters and numbers, poor hand-eye coordination, or being a little clumsy. These are some of the ways that vision impacts functional tasks in kids. Many parents complain like kids are not able to search particular things from cupboard, so these activities will be beneficial. Teachers often have students that struggling with reading, copying, handwriting, comprehension, attention, or focus problems. Parents may have a child with a non-vision issue or have a gut feeling about visual processing concern can follow these activities. I'm 100% sure if you try following activities, you will find benefits from. So let's start vision activities. Kids with hypersensitivity have extreme sensitivity to emotional or physical stimuli, including sound, sight, touch, or smell. हाइपरसेंसिटिव बच्चों को जो ओवर साउंड होता है मीन्स ज़्यादा साउंड से भी दिक्कत होती है, ज़्यादा लाइट से भी प्रॉब्लम होती है. Here with passing multicolor light we can desensitize vision activity in hypersensitive kids. Here I am using colorful beaker to pass colorful lights. Following object is very good activity. You can pick one object and rotate it to 4 directions and ask your kid to follow this object. Same way, you have to pick one object and rotate it to 180 degrees and ask your kid to follow this. For scanning, we have to follow some simple steps. हम इस रिंग अरेंजिंग एक्टिविटी को एज वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. ये रिंग अरेंजमेंट की एक्टिविटी स्मॉलर किड्स के लिए है. कलर मैचिंग एक्टिविटी भी 1.5 से 2 साल के बच्चों के लिए प्रीफरेबल है. और यू कैन आस्क योर किड टू ब्रिंग अ पर्टिकुलर कलर ऑब्जेक्ट. मैं यहाँ सभी एज ग्रुप के बच्चों के लिए ये एक्टिविटीज़ दिखा रही हूँ, तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली अपने बच्चे से एक्टिविटीज़ करवा सकते हैं। जिन बच्चों में विजुअल प्रॉब्लम होता है वो बच्चे ये एक्टिविटी को आसानी से नहीं कर पाते हैं। First of all, I am introducing easy puzzle. After solving easy puzzle, I am introducing quite hard puzzle. Picture hunt is really very useful and beneficiary activity for visual improvement. Here I am asking my kid to show me a particular picture from picturica. ये एक्टिविटी आप हायर एज ग्रुप के बच्चों से भी करवा सकते हैं एंड इट्स रियली वेरी यूजफुल। ये एक्टिविटी जितनी दिखती है उतनी आसान नहीं है। कभी कभार हमारे जैसे लोगों को भी सर्च करना मुश्किल होता है। below. You can find this also. Okay. Will you see me injection? Yes. Ball. Very good. Done. Hope you this video will be useful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Keep sharing.